welcome to shiksha.com. SET application forms have been released online and the last date to fill the SET application form is April 24th. The exam will be conducted in a computer-based test mode on May 14th. In this video, we will share a step-by-step guide on how to fill the SET application form. Let's get started. Visit the official website of SET, that is set-test.org. Click on the Apply Now button on the home page. You will be redirected to a new web page. Click on the Register button and a pop-up of the instruction manual will appear. Read the instructions carefully and tick the checkbox and then click on I agree. You will be redirected to the SET registration form where you will be required to fill in the necessary details such as name, date of birth, mobile number, gender, category, etc. Select the test that you wish to appear for and then select the preferred cities. Candidates can choose up to 3 test cities. They must also note that the test city allocation will be made on first come, first served basis. Once the details have been entered, upload your photograph and then click on Save and Continue. Candidates must carefully fill in the details as they cannot be changed later. A pop-up will appear with your details. Check the details and click OK. You will receive an OTP on the registered mobile number and email ID. Enter the one-time password and click Submit. Candidates will receive their SET credentials on the registered email ID and phone number. Click here to make the fee payment and proceed to application fee payment. Take a printout of the application form and proceed on to paying the SET application fee of Rs 1950. You can pay the application fee with a credit card, debit card, net banking, UPI or other mobile banking wallets. Proceed to part 2 of the registration after the fee has been paid. Fill the rest of the application form with address, academic details, etc. Choose the preferred institutes and click on Save and Continue. Proceed to pay the institute's program fee to complete the SET application form. Once the fee payment is made, take a printout of the application form and the fee receipt. This was all about SET application process. Goodbye.